Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of wooden bookends and how they can enhance your home decor while providing functional storage solution. For example, it could store a collection for novels, stationery item like pens and notebooks, or even small trinkets and keep scar. The variety of the box always for customization based and individual requirement. Wooden bookends come in a variety of shapes, size and styles, making them virtual pieces for any bookshelf or desk. Close-up shots of bookends holding book in place. Not only do they keep your books organized and upright, but they also add a touch of elegance to your space. Whether you prefer a rustic look with natural wood grain or a modern design with sleek lines, there's a wooden bookend to suit every taste. And don't forget about their perfectly wooden bookend are steady and reliable, ensuring that your books stay in place and don't topple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration until next time. Thank you very much.